Alexa, ask Pikachu to talk.
Three, two, one.
Pikachu, sing a birthday song. No, that's not birthday song. Sing a birthday song. Sing a birthday song. Pikachu, you want to go to the Pokeball? Pikachu, sing a birthday song. That's not the birthday song. That's just Annoy. Pikachu, sing a...
Pikachu will leave if you don't speak to it for a while.
Okay. Pikachu, sing a birthday song. Pikachu, sing a birthday song. It doesn't even work. This is so annoying. Okay, let's try it again. Pikachu, how are you? Pikachu, tell me a story. Okay. Wow. No. This is so annoying. Pikachu, sing a happy birthday song. That's not the birthday song. Sing the birthday song. Okay, good finish. Round of applause. How are you, Pikachu? Not bad. Alexa, stop Pikachu. Alexa, disable Pikachu.
Okay, I've disabled it.
Pikachu. Didn't think that would come out of Alexa, but...
Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Click, listen, enjoy.